Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Skullcandy earbuds with your Android phone. So first of all we have to open this charging case, and then we have to remove the left and the right earbud. Just like that. We have to take a look for these indicators, and they will move to the pairing mode automatically, so just take a look for them. In my case they are connected to my previously device, so I'm gonna unpair them. Okay, so let's try to repeat. Close the case. I just forgot to unpair them, but right now everything will works. So take a look. Just remember to don't connect them to any other devices. But if you do, just disconnect like I did, then put back, and there we are in the pairing mode. So open the Bluetooth. You have to simply go to the pair new device, and from available devices list we have to pick our Dime 2 earbuds. Accept the pairing, and as you can see, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.